everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing another monthly crochet favourites. I have quite a few things on my list that I want to share with you today. The first things are going to be yarn. But before I get started, if you're new around here, hello, my name is Sarah Jane. I am the creator of Bella Croco, so all the times you see these hands, they are mine. They are attached to me. If you are new and you haven't subscribed already, I'd love it if you click that subscribe button. And if you are already subscribed, then make sure you click that bell button and it will notify you of when my videos go live. So let's get stuck in to yarn. Now, this particular yarn has been on my favourites for months and months and months. However, I haven't featured it because I'm terrified of getting the name wrong. You probably know what I'm going to say already. But this is the sheepies. That is not how you say it, like the proper way to say it. I think that's something like sheps. Yes. But apparently you can say sheepies. Sheepies. Shep. I don't know, but anyway, I'm gonna say sheepies. Please correct me if I'm wrong in how to say that. Leave a comment down below or direct me to a video where I can try and pronounce it properly. But anyway, this is the shepies. I think I've just said it different again. Well, I have had this for quite a few months and I got it in two different shades. So the first shade is this one, and this is Green Tea Tipple, and it's so beautiful. And then I also got this one, which is Nighttime Bubbles. So these are the two different ones that I got. Now, this one has a little bit of a project attached to it. The problem I am finding with this is that I simply cannot decide which project I want to make. So this is the start of 12-point star, but I am thinking that I would maybe like to try the square virus blanket. So I'm still undecided and I keep starting something and undoing it and then starting it again. It's quite a lot thinner yarn than what I am using lately. As I've said in a lot of my past monthly favourites, I am favouring thicker, chunkier yarns because it's just much easier to work up, and with the limited time I have, you know, it just means that I'm making something quicker. But this does take a while, albeit it looks absolutely beautiful. And it's just taken so long because I keep stopping and frogging it and then starting it again. So I'm just pretty much getting nowhere with it, but it's just so nice. Super, super lovely. I did ask a while ago to give me some suggestions of what to do with it, and I got so many messages with recommendations, and I think because I got so many, I just don't know what to start first. But this is definitely on my monthly favourites. It is a little bit more expensive, but it's so worth it because it's just absolutely beautiful. So sheepies, I've said it, I think I've said it different every time I've said it, but the whirl, I love this. The second yarn, which is on my monthly favourites, and I have talked about this before, but this one is the Millimia Naturally Soft Aran, whereas before I think I said the Merino yarn. They are just absolutely gorgeous jeweled tones. One is called teal and the other is magenta, which makes sense because they are teal and magenta, but just so completely gorgeous. Every time I pick up Millimia yarn, I just fall in love with it over and over again because it just feels super, super soft. And again, I think this is my problem these days, why I'm not making so much, as well as a little bit of a lack of time, is I just don't know where to start. I think I just need to pick up my hook and start something and just continue on with it. But yeah, I just love this. As far as stitches goes, I don't know if you've seen one of my latest tutorials, which was the Apache Tears tutorial. I absolutely adore that stitch. I love the effect it gives. I love that it's a bit of an optical illusion. I just really like it. So if you haven't seen that already, then go and check that out. I love that it looks complicated, but it's actually fairly easy to do, and it builds really nicely, and yeah, just really nice. So go check that one out. This month I also wanted to talk about some other YouTube channels which do crochet tutorials. These two channels are channels that I have loved for a long time, and I've spoken with both of the hosts and they are just super lovely. So the first one I actually did a collaboration with a couple of years ago, and that is Melanie Hamm. The thing that I like about her channel is that she does do crochet tutorials, but she also does other ones as well, so like patchwork and sewing and things. So that's a really nice creative channel to follow. The other one is Laura from Happy Berry Crochet. I really love her Stash Buster projects, and she just also has some really nice series of projects as well, so making smaller things. I just think both of those channels are really nice and unique, which is lovely to see. As far as Instagram goes, I'm going to again share two Instagram accounts which I've been loving. The first one is Whimsy Hen. I just love her photos and her projects. All of her pictures are really nice and bright. She has some really nice sort of cuddly toy kind of projects, and in particular I love the little plant person that she's got. You go across and check it out, you'll see what I mean. And bunnies and the unicorn. The unicorn is super cute. The next Instagram account I am loving is Nothing Usual, and it's spelt in a different way, so clever way, so it's like not. So Nothing Usual. I'll leave links in the description box for everything that I mentioned, but basically Lily has some really lovely photos, really nice creative photos, and she also does lots of different projects as well, so definitely go and check both of those out, and don't forget to say that I sent you. And then finally we are going to get to the winner of last month's giveaway. So remember, I asked you to tag BCC April 18 in your projects which have been inspired by my tutorials or my projects, and the winner for last month is Crochet Artistry. I absolutely love the fact that she has done the abstract blanket pattern but also changed it up a little bit, so she's done all pastel shades, which is completely my thing, and it just looks really nice. I shall be in contact on Instagram for your address so I can send you a little bit of something. And for this month, if you tag your projects on Instagram with BCC May 18, again, I'll have a look through that hashtag throughout the month and choose my favourite to send you out a little something. I'll take a look at your feed and send you something that I think you will love as a little thank you for subscribing and supporting my channel. So there we are, they are my May favourites for this month. If there's anything in particular you would like me to talk about in a monthly favourites, like an accessory or a particular range within a brand of yarn, anything like that, then please leave me a comment down below so that I can check that out. But again, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you again next time. Bye!